Okay, so in this video we discuss about the functions, general functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. So here we see the first one is generally endoplasmic reticulum which gives the mechanical support to the cell. Okay, which gives the mechanical support. So gives the mechanical. Okay, so mechanical support. Okay, mechanical support to the cell. Okay, it provides framework. Okay, so provides framework. Okay, framework to the cell. Okay, right. So that's why the endoplasmic reticulum is called as skeletal structure. So called as skeletal structure. Okay, right. Then and this second one is mainly it transports. It helps in the transfers the information. Okay, transfers the information from nucleus to various other cell organelles and outside of this cell. Okay, so it transfers information from nucleus to other cell organelles, okay, or outside of the cell, okay, right. And the here we see this is the nucleus, and the information of the nucleus, it will be sent to the it carries by the endoplasmic reticulum. Then the endoplasmic reticulum will be transports the information through various different cell organelles, other cell organelles, or outside of the cell. Okay, right. And next one is it transports to the lipids. Okay, lipids and proteins to Golgi bodies. Okay, Golgi bodies through their vesicles. Okay, right. And the next one is endoplasmic reticulum contains more than 30 enzymes. Okay, more than 30 enzymes. So they helps in the biosynthesis process. Okay, that contains more than 30 enzymes. Okay, so that helps in biosynthesis process. Okay, so that means they synthesis glycolipids, okay, phospholipids, glycerols, cholesterols, like these. Okay, so that's why the enzymes are helps in biosynthesis. Okay, right. And endoplasmic reticulum also helps in the formation of formation of cell plate during the cell division. At the time of cell division, generally when the two daughter nucleus are formed, then the small pieces of these small pieces of vesicles or small pieces of endoplasmic reticulum parts, generally it will be forms a small cell plate. Okay, right. That separates the two daughter cells. Okay, cell plate generally separates the two daughter cells. Okay, right. So cell plate will be formed at the time of cell division. Okay. Next, it helps in the formation of nuclear membrane. Okay, right. At the time of cell division, during the cell division time, in the telophase, then generally what happens, two groups of chromosomes are separate into two different poles. When they are separate to different poles, then pieces of endoplasmic reticulum surrounds the group of daughter chromosomes and forms a nuclear membrane. Okay, right. So these are the some general functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now we know the special functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum and the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, right. Here we know the functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, yeah. So functions. So functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, right. So here it helps in the, mainly you know that it helps in the protein synthesis. Okay, helps in the protein synthesis. Okay, helps in the protein synthesis. So because of the ribosomes are present on the outer surface. Okay, and it transports them, and it transports to Golgi bodies. Okay, it consists protein synthesized, and then the proteins are transported to Golgi bodies. Okay, right. And it transports the nuclear material to the various organelles. Okay, transports the nuclear material. Transports the nuclear material to other organelles. Okay, other organelles. Okay, right. And remaining one is after losing the ribosomes. Generally rough endoplasmic reticulum generally contains ribosomes. After losing the ribosomes, it will be converted into smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, after the removing the ribosomes, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum generally forms Golgi bodies. Okay, generally forms after losing ribosomes, it will be converted into smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum forms Golgi bodies. Okay, yeah, forms Golgi bodies. Okay, these Golgi bodies produce primary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes. These primary lysosomes helps in the digestion of food. Digestion of food and exocytosis process. Okay, so these are happening when the ribosomes are removed on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, these process is called as GERL system. Okay, this process is called as GERL system. Okay, right. So this is about the functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, right. Now we know the functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, here we see the smooth endoplasmic reticulum functions. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Right. So here there is the synthesis of first main function is the synthesis of. Okay, yeah, synthesis of lipids. Okay, and its transports. Okay, this is the first function, and it makes desmotubules. Okay, desmotubules. Okay, desmotubules. They are run through plasma desmata. Okay, yeah. So plasma desmata is the connection between two adjacent cells. Okay, yes. It helps in the transport of substances from one cell to another cell. Okay, right. So it makes desmosomes. Okay, right. And Smooth endoplasmic reticulum generally forms. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum generally forms a sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, yeah. So sarcoplasmic reticulum. So it is a modification of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum modified into sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is present in the muscle cells. Okay, right. Here the sarcoplasmic reticulum generally conducts the motor impulse. Okay, this is about the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Okay, is a modified of and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, right. And the smooth endoplasmic reticulum also removes the lactic acid. Okay, it removes the lactic acid. So generally lactic acid is produced by the anaerobic respiration. Okay, by the anaerobic respiration. When it forms the anaerobic respiration, then the lactic acid will be removed by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Because if it not removed, the lactic acid deposition will be occur in our blood. Then we feel fatigue. Okay, we feel fatigue. Okay, right. And next function is it removes the toxic materials. Yes, it detoxifies the toxic materials. Okay, so helps in detoxification. Okay, detoxification, that means it removes the toxic materials. Okay, these are mainly present, this process will mainly occur in the liver cells. Okay, liver cells. Okay, right. So and the last but not least is important, that is the glycogenolysis process. Helps in the glycogenolysis process. Okay, glycogenolysis means breakdown of glycogen. Okay, right. So breakdown of glycogen. Okay, in the liver cell. Okay, so these are the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum.